everyone, welcome to Maya and Victoria's DIY Sunday face mask with, guess what, vitamin C, because it helps the both of us. I'm 52, she's 20, but we have things that are in common. It's going to help to get rid of our dark spots, help build collagen for myself. And so here we go. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. I happen to have the real stuff because I'm a chemist, so you can substitute it with the little capsules. Just take 10 or 12 capsules and put them in. Today I'm doing a double dose, so I'm putting 2 small teaspoons of vitamin C, 3 big teaspoons of rosewater oil. That's going to help it penetrate and also hydrate the skin. And you can also use some collagen. I don't know if the collagen will penetrate the skin, but it's not going to do any damage to it, and it's going to really help just to have it on top of your skin for a few minutes. You mix it all together, and then you apply for 15 minutes, and we will let you know how it goes. So what did it feel like when you applied it?
Felt cold but nice.
Cold but nice. 15 minutes is all you need, then we're gonna rinse.
And it feels like it's tightening my skin.
Yes, that's the feeling. But the vitamin C, ascorbic acid, is also going to help get rid of my dark spots and your dark spots, acne spots. And now we have fresh skin, and we're gonna put the real vitamin C cream.